Feeling frustrated trying to learn Spanish, especially when native speakers talk a mile a minute? Well then, this video is for you. If you're an adult or older learner struggling with fast-paced Spanish lessons, there's a better way. It's a kind of slow Spanish for beginners, and it helps you understand, retain, and actually enjoy learning Spanish. Let me show you how it works, and the best way to get started today. Spanish Slow and Easy is exactly what it sounds like. Spanish taught clearly, slowly, and intentionally, so beginners can follow along without stress. Instead of fast grammar drills or confusing slang, you get clear pronunciation, useful phrases, and real conversations you can actually understand. Here's why this method is perfect for adult learners. It improves memory retention, especially for those over 40. It reduces overwhelm. It builds real-world confidence. Studies show that slowing down your lesson input by just 25% can increase comprehension and retention by up to 50%. And with tools like Spanish Slow and Easy, you don't just hear words, you absorb them. Here's a gentle, proven path to learning Spanish slowly and successfully. 1. Start with clear, slow audio lessons. 2. Repeat often to build memory. 3. Watch videos with subtitles. 4. Focus on real phrases first, like greetings and questions. 5. Use resources made for your pace. That's where SpanishSlowandEasy.com comes in. It's designed for learners who need clarity, not speed. Question: is slow Spanish better for older learners? Yes, it fits your pace and memory style. Question: do I need to study grammar first? Nope. Start with phrases. Grammar can come later. Question: is Spanish Slow and Easy worth it? If you've ever felt lost or rushed in other programs, this is made for you. Learning Spanish slowly is smart. It's how our brains truly learn, especially as we get older. If you want a stress-free, confidence-building way to speak Spanish, click the link in the description or visit SpanishSlowandEasy.com today and start your journey at your own pace. Like this video if it helped you. Drop a comment. What Spanish word or phrase are you learning today? And be sure to subscribe. We'll be back with more language tips made for real life.